Hi guys, you may have seen in previous videos I made myself this quick release bracket for my phone in its protective case. It's got a wind protector, dead cat, whatever you want to call it. They clip on the outside covering the microphones, and then this bit is based on the cheap tripod fittings that used to get in Poundland. The actual wire and the springs come from that, but the rest of it's 3D printed myself, and that fits in there nicely. But I've decided to try something else. I actually designed this for something else. It was something where I could suspend my camera and send it along a line for tracking. Anyway, I was looking at it the other day and I thought, well, why don't I put a bracket on the bottom of it, that bit, that'll fit in there, and that is a much quicker fit. I've even got a little cutout there because, very annoyingly, the Samsung Galaxy A51 5G, the on-off button's just there, and regularly when I pick it up I press the button and turn it off, and if I try and put it in one of these clamps, that button is underneath the clamp, so I've got a little cutout there for that. These I did have glued on the back of there so that I couldn't lose them, so I'll probably glue them on the back of there, but at the moment they are free to move as required. Now I could make this bracket available on Thingiverse or whatever, but it really only works if you've got exactly the same type of protective case. Because I've designed it specifically for the phone with that case on it. If you take the case off, then it's no good at all. So it's only for that one specific type of protective case. I don't think this has got a brand name on it. No, it's just one that had the right price when I bought it. It's got this little stand on the back as well. My wife has got exactly the same one and her little bracket's broken off, so she can't use that anymore. Anyway, so as I say, there's really no point in me making that bracket available to people on Thingiverse unless they happen to have exactly the same plastic case, because it's bespoke, it only fits that one. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.